Hey, it's Mark. It's a quick video for subscribers to my newsletter. Crypto is easy. I don't have the AirPods in, so I hope the sound comes out okay. Just wanted to post this real quick. People getting all crazy about Bitmex, people getting all crazy about KuCoin, and all this stuff that's going on with the SEC, the U.S. regulators, the SEC, coming down hard on a few different people. I mean, Bitmex included, but also Kick and a bunch of other people who are just getting whacked. And I just wanted to really quickly give you my thoughts, and my thoughts are really simple. It doesn't matter. None of this matters. These are blips on the road to where we're going. The markets don't really. So much of these markets are based on sentiment, hype, vibes, positive thinking or negative thinking. That substantively this stuff doesn't matter. And besides, I mean, Bitmex is not as significant as it used to be. KuCoin is significant, but $150 million is not going to move the markets, and pretty much everybody who needed to responded. I know the Bitcoin maximalists are not going to like that. There's so much. It's so easy for quote unquote centralized actors to get involved, but this is how it is. It's how it is right now. And they responded pretty quickly. I have a little bit of crypto on KuCoin. I keep a little bit of crypto on a few different exchanges. Please feel free to hack it. It's not worth your time. It's just a little bit simply for convenience. My funds were fine. My funds were totally fine. And it's $90 worth. Okay, just so everybody, it's $90 worth of crypto. It's just not even worth bothering with. And it's still there. I never lost it. I would just say merrily we roll along. I still think there's not an unrealistic chance for Bitcoin's price to crash, the market to crash a little more. And premium subscribers, I've been talking about that. At the same time, there's just so much positive momentum and positive sentiment. It might not feel that way sometimes with Twitter and if you're caught up in the DeFi, the rug pulls, the scams, stuff like that. You're probably feeling pretty burned. It's anytime Bitcoin and the overall crypto goes through these kind of lull periods like we've been going through for the past few weeks, really for the month of September, it feels like, I don't know, there's just nothing to get excited about. But when you step outside the world of people who are, step outside the day-to-day, and you look at how we have now are at a point, we have a market where, there are still lots of traders, speculators, swing traders, the Telegram groups, the Reddit feeds, and the hype guys on Twitter and YouTube. The real players here, the big money, the people who are, and the developers who are going to work on the technology that brings this stuff to the mainstream, the investors who have deep pockets, who are going to bring the money that this market needs to really grow and expand. They don't care about any of this stuff. Well, I shouldn't say that. I'm sure they care. They probably care. Yeah, of course they care. But they're not going to make any decisions. They're not changing their decisions on what they do based on these events that have happened over the past week. And so if they're not doing it, and these are the whales, these are the OGs, these are the big money people. This is the smart money. If the smart money is not concerned and not upset, we don't need to be upset either. Relax and enjoy the ride.